Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to make a few brief comments about this gospel reading for today, Monday in the 18th week in Ordinary Time. As I look at this reading, there are three things that stand out to me. There's just so much going on in this reading. First of all, we see that the disciples are out in a boat in the evening and there's a storm, and Jesus comes out to them walking on the water, and they think that Jesus is a ghost, and Peter says, Lord, if it is you, command me to come to you on the water. So Jesus says, sure, come on out. Peter gets out of the boat, but then he becomes frightened and he begins to sink and he cries out, Lord, save me. How often has our own faith wavered and we've said to the Lord, Lord, save me, help me, rather than trust that no matter what happens to us, even in the worst of times, that the Lord is always with us. And so Jesus stretches out his hand and he catches Peter and says, why did you doubt? Jesus says those same words to us when we doubt. He tells us, I know there are times in life when things are difficult, but don't ever doubt that I am with you. So that's the first thing. The second thing is that the apostles, true to character, don't understand what has gone on here. And so they see that when Jesus walks on the water and when the wind dies down, they look at these great signs, these signs of power, and they say to Jesus, truly, you are the Son of God. No, it's not his command of the wind or his ability to walk on water that makes him the Son of God. It is what we see in the next couple of sentences. When the men of that place recognized him, they sent word to all the surrounding country. People brought to him all those who were sick. And Jesus, of course, heals them. This is the sign that Jesus is truly the Son of God. It's his ability to use the power of God to heal, not to work great signs and wonders, but to heal people. And so those are just my brief reflections about our gospel reading today. I hope they've been helpful. I hope you have a wonderful Monday. Thank you for watching.